I'm Jennifer with Family Adventures Overlanding, and for today's Base Camp Basics, we're going to show you how to make 5-minute white rice. Chef Sasquatch gives us a 1 acorn on his Squirrel-o-meter. We're going to start with using just a white rice, a 5-minute rice, and then we're also going to be using water. We'll talk about the measurements as I put it on the Skottle here in just a few minutes. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and turn your Skottle on to medium heat and let it heat for a couple minutes while you get your next ingredient. Oh, I've been looking for him. He is supposed to actually be over here roasting his marshmallows. So the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is get your Skottle started on medium heat. And once we have that going, we're going to go ahead and add our water. And we're only going to make 2 cups of rice today. And very similar to exactly the same way you do at home on your stove. For white rice, the 5-minute rice, it's 1 cup of water, and we're going to bring that to a boil. So now that we have it at medium, we're going to go ahead and we're going to crank this all the way up to high. And we can cover it up so it can boil faster. And once it gets boiling, we'll go ahead and we'll talk about adding the rice. I see the steam coming up, so we'll check and see if it's boiling. And it is. We have a good roaring boil. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our 5-minute rice. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rice. It's fine if it overflows a little bit. Now, just like what you would do at home, turn your heat off, stir your rice, cover it, and wait 5 minutes, and then you'll have your rice. So we'll come back and we'll check on it in 5 minutes. Now that it's been 5 minutes, we'll go ahead and we'll check on our rice. Just take the lid off and just fluff it just like you would at home. All the water is absorbed and it's nice and fluffy. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, great Jen, you showed me how to make 5-minute rice. What do I do now? Well, this would be the base of starting a chicken fried rice all on one Skottle. You don't have to go make your rice and then make the chicken fried rice here. You can also use this as making a side. Just chop up some cilantro, squeeze a fresh lime right on top, and make cilantro lime rice. Once you do that here, just move it off to the side and keep it warm, and you have your side dish to whatever main dish you want to make, whether it's seasoned chicken or some pork. So hopefully it sparks some interest and you guys go out and experiment. Show us what you make on your Skottle with your 5-minute rice.